In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Sheets document onto WhatsApp. So this is very easy on the PC. So all you need to do is open your Google Sheet document, then go to Share in the top right hand corner. Click on this button. It will then show you the people with access. This is going to be you as you own the document. Now, if you just want to give them a link and share the link, you need to change it from restricted to anyone with the link. If you keep it unrestricted and you share the link, they will be able to access it, but only after you give them access, and you'll get an email. So if they try and access it late at night, you're not there, you won't be able to give them access. So if you want them to get access at any time, click anyone with the link, then click copy link, then head over to WhatsApp web. So go to web.whatsapp.com. It's going to prompt you then to scan your QR code on your phone where you're already logged into WhatsApp. From here, you can then find the person you want to send it to, click paste, and then click send. Because you've allowed anyone with the link to access this, now anyone that has this link can click on it and they will then gain access to your Google Sheets. Just make sure that you give the link to someone trustworthy, otherwise if the link gets leaked then anyone will be able to click on it. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.